Okay, John Deere dirt pan with a red tractor. Certainly doable. Had a call last week, spent about 2 hours trying to figure it out. Just happened to see this at the local dealer, stopped and checked it out, took some pictures. So you always have to hook up to what pan you have, not what tractor. Now, your drawbar has to fit the tractor, but it also has to fit the pan. So this is not a part that you can actually buy from Case, because Case doesn't sell a John Deere dirt pan. We actually use Ashland's website, which Ashland builds most of these pieces anyway for Case. So that's what you need if you're trying to hook up a John Deere dirt pan to a Steiger, QuadTrac, RowTrac, any tractor. I'll take a shot from the other side here. Here's a different look at the tandem, but it's got a lot larger pin. Ashland says that's a 60mm pin that goes into your quick attach. The one that goes into the Ashland drawbar is an 1.5" pin, so it's a lot different size. This even looks like a different drawbar support that I'm not familiar with. Everything's made onto it actually. Anyway, this is about the hookup.